tweets. That takes away the bullet. So that's a way of reducing that. So my image is back okay, and there's a nice bit of padding, nice space between the image and the bullet points. So that's how you create a list. Was embedding error been posted. As you can see here, embed Twitter in your website. Well, I had a look at that yesterday, and it gives you options to put links in your own website, follow buttons and the like. Have a look. What would you like to embed? Enter a Twitter URL. Okay, let's have a look at the drop down. A collection, a tweet, a profile, etc. Okay, 4 options of embedded tweet, embedded timeline, Twitter button. This is one I'm interested in. So if I click here, select the button you'd like to use. A share, you could put a share on something. That might come in handy for blogs, etc. That'd be nice. Button, that's the one I'm after. And here you got mention, hashtag, and message. Just what I'm after, so follow button. Follow. So obviously they want a profile there, or username. So mine is Damien Fallon 2. So preview, I suppose that means give you the code. There it is, preview. Follow Damien Fallon 2 on Twitter. And here we have copy code. So the href, that's the relationship, the hypertext transfer protocol. So copy code, copied. Paste this code directly into the HTML portion of your site, and you'll be good to go. Well, I'm going to try that. What I'd like to do as well is just to do that, just in case. Then I know I've got it. Okay, go back to Expression Web. Now, I would have it under my name, so H1, and then I'm going to paste that in. So that'll be in the body section. So that's your href, that's the link, equals, and that's what it is. Class Twitter follow, data show count false. I don't know what that means. Ah, there was more there. I'm going to do that again. And let's get that in. So that would be an embedded. That was script. So follow at Damien Fallon 2. That's the closing anchor. Script, asynchronous, source, and there's a link to Platter Twitform, a widget, a JavaScript widget. So that sends you to that script that does that, and that's the character set. Well, I've never done that before. Let's have a look at this. And my recorder's working well now. For the first 2 minutes, it was just stopping and starting. That's why it was all over the place. Running ever so smooth now. Don't know what does that. It says microphone not working. Please start again. And here it is. Previewing it now. Taking a bit of time to work. Don't really want to pause it on this. Now what's happened? Oh my god, that's not very good. That's just a link. I thought it'd be a follow button. I thought it'd be a proper button. Oh, there it is. It's come up slowly. That loaded slowly. If I hover over. So that's quite nice. That's quite a nice feature on your landing page. Okay, so we've done the avatar, done the text, the header, and a contact button, a follow button. So there you are. Good for a nice landing page. I think for the next video, I want to experiment with audio to add some music to it. So we'll do that next.